In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add lines in Microsoft Word fast and easy. Let's get started. The first method is by using automatic lines. You can quickly insert them by typing 3 characters and pressing Enter. Type 3 hyphens for a solid line, 3 equal signs for a double line, 3 asterisks for a dotted line, or 3 underscores for an underline. The second method uses a table. Go to the Insert tab, click Table, and choose a 1x5 table. You'll now see a few horizontal lines. These lines are actually table borders. To remove the outer borders, click the small square at the top left of the table to highlight it, then go to the Borders button in the toolbar, click the arrow next to it, and select No Outside Borders. You might still see some faint dotted lines. Don't worry. Those are just grid lines that help you see where the cells are. They won't appear when printing. You can confirm this by pressing Ctrl+P to open Print Preview. If you want to add more lines, simply click on the last row and press Enter. Keep doing this until you have as many lines as you need. That's it. Quick and simple. Now you know easy ways to add lines in Word. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.